Meaning of Hampstead.
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 Hampstead. Hampstead is a place name in London, England, which originally referred to a small village with a history dating back to the 13th century. Today, it is a desirable residential area known for its charming streets, green spaces, and artistic community. Hampstead is also home to some of London's most expensive properties and has been a favorite haunt of artists, writers, and intellectuals over the years. The area features numerous independent shops, cafes, and restaurants, as well as landmarks like Hampstead Heath, Kenwood House, and the Freud Museum.